In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a reconciliation report in QuickBooks. This process is essential for making sure that your financial records align with your bank statements, providing you with an accurate snapshot of your finances. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks online account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click Continue to access your account fully. With your account open and ready to go, navigate over to the Reports tab. This is a key section you'll find right on the dashboard of QuickBooks Online. The Report section is integral as it provides a wealth of dynamic financial reports that bring your financial information to life, assisting you in making informed decisions. Once you're in the Report section, you should see a search bar. Here's where you'll type in the term Reconciliation Report. QuickBooks will provide you with a list of related reports, but your focus should be solely on the Reconciliation Report. This particular document is invaluable as it confirms your accounts are balanced and helps to identify any discrepancies in recorded transactions. Click on the Reconciliation Report from the list. This action will open up the report, displaying all your reconciled accounts along with their current status. Now take a careful look over these details to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. Reconciliation reports are essential for confirming that your account balances are accurate and no unauthorized transactions have slipped through. And that's the basic process for generating a reconciliation report in QuickBooks Online. This report is a vital tool for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring your business's financial activities are comprehensively tracked. If you have recurring reconciling tasks, think about setting reminders to generate this report regularly. By doing so, you enable yourself to quickly pinpoint and rectify any discrepancies, thereby maintaining the trustworthiness and credibility of your financial reporting. We've just covered this process in a straightforward way, making sure you can easily follow along. If you find yourself having any questions or needing further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the QuickBooks support team. They're an excellent resource for diving deeper into any aspect of your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy reconciling!